Welcome to the incredible world of everyday foods where looks can be deceiving. Could your favorite food secretly be putting your health at risk? In the pages of our special feature, Beware 9 Kidney-Harming Foods, you'll be astonished by what we reveal. Think the rich and creamy avocado and the juicy and refreshing orange is safe? Think again. This is the journey where we peel back the layers of what you eat. Foods which you believe to be on your side in your journey to better health may be riddling your kidneys with toxins without you even knowing. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the truths about those foods that we consume day in and day out. It's like being a detective in your own kitchen, piecing together the clues that lead to a happier, healthier you. We'll discover why the zesty, good-for-you orange might just be too good to be true, and how the humble pickle may just be a salty trap. This journey isn't simply about good or bad food. It goes much further and delves into how even the healthiest of foods can carry with them a dark secret. Join with us, and let's decode the fascination behind this intriguing food maze while making healthier food choices for your kidneys. The time is now. Bid farewell to your current diet and transform your health journey by making smart food decisions that work for you and your kidneys. Are you ready to push aside everything you thought you knew in order to begin anew? This enlightening adventure awaits you. Have you ever thought that your food could secretly hurt your health? We have a surprise for you in our special feature, Beware 9 Kidney-Harming Foods. These are not the typical suspects you'd think. You love many of these foods, like juicy oranges or creamy avocados. But did you know your favorite foods may not be as good for you as you think? Get ready! We take a ride into your kitchen to learn more about what you eat. You may realize a few of the foods you thought were healthy are actually bad for your kidneys. This is an amazing trip into the world of some of the most everyday foods. It's like being a detective in your kitchen looking for clues to a healthier life. You will see why oranges, even though they are sweet and refreshing, might not be too good for you. Who knew pickles are really a salty problem? You will find out in just a second. Now, this journey is not all about the good and the bad of foods. It's about knowing that even the healthiest of foods have a downside. Come with us here this interesting food puzzle and decide for yourself what's good for your kidneys. Time to change the way you look at your kitchen cabinets and start thinking what's good for the health of your kidneys. How are your eating habits? Could you improve on them? Let's begin our eye-opening journey. Avocado, packed with good fats and a variety of nutrients, making them a heart-healthy choice. Avocados are celebrated as superfoods. However, the high potassium content may be of concern for someone with kidney problems, since excessive potassium can be bad for the kidneys. But you can still enjoy avocados. Just be aware of your daily potassium intake, knowing it's about balance. Oranges. Oranges are not only rich in vitamin C, they're also immunity champions, packing a punch against common infections. But here's what most aren't aware of. They're also high in potassium. And if you're managing kidney issues, this becomes a high-wire act. Trying smaller servings or experimenting with fruits that have less potassium can be smart to keep your kidneys healthy without losing out on nutrients. Pickles. Pickles, the tangy and zesty treat of a meal, owe their deliciousness to the brine they're made in. That brine, however, is packed with sodium, which poses a problem if you're concerned about kidney health. Too much sodium overburdens the kidneys. If you eat pickles regularly, a low-sodium pickles, or maybe even a homemade pickle with much reduced salt, could be a tasty compromise that lets you keep pickles in your life without overloading your sodium intake. Apricots. Apricots entice with their sweetness and pack a nutritional punch. Their high potassium content, though, makes them an item to watch. A smart move may be choosing fresh apricots. Typically, fresh apricots have less potassium than the dried version. This can help you to enjoy the fruit and dodge kidney troubles. Soda. In addition to their high sugar content, sodas, particularly the dark-colored ones, contain added phosphorus, a hidden danger that most don't even think about when it comes to kidney health. It's wise to switch to drinks free of phosphorus additives. such as lemon-flavored water, and just keep things simple and refreshing? Whole wheat bread. Whole grain bread, much like other nutritionally sound alternatives, actually contains more phosphorus and potassium than its counter white bread, which means complications to kidney problems can now directly make the impact of having one less sugary sandwich to pick from a more widespread issue of diet and kidney health. So finding the simplest dietary change for a healthier life is now also getting harder. While whole wheat bread provides numerous health benefits, including added fiber and essential nutrients, its phosphorus and potassium content can have a negative impact on kidney health. Red meat. Red meat is often a go-to source of protein, but it's also traditionally high in phosphorus. Moderating how often red meat is consumed or choosing leaner cuts of it can make it easier for those with kidney health concerns to enjoy its protein benefits while keeping phosphorus down. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, providing healthful doses of vitamins and minerals. However, a diet high in oxalates is a concern for certain individuals, those prone to developing oxalate kidney stones. By moderating the intake of spinach and mixing in other greens with less oxalate content, you can receive the nutrients associated with spinach and at the same time lower the chances of developing kidney stones. Bananas. Bananas are a convenient and rich in potassium, making them a staple snack. However, they should be eaten with caution in those who have to watch their potassium intake for kidney health. Either eat smaller portions of banana or go with another type of fruit that isn't as potassium-packed in order to enjoy the benefits without eating too much potassium. We've peeled back the layers of seemingly good-for-you foods and explored the hidden truths behind favorites like avocados and oranges. But never fear. Now that the secret is out, you're equipped with invaluable knowledge that will help you make smarter, kidney-friendly decisions when it comes to the foods that fuel your life. After all, it's not about shunning any one food altogether, but understanding its impact and making smart swaps and choices. So the next time you find yourself in the kitchen, think of it as your very own lair and relish in the fact that you are choosing to nourish and preserve your body. Here's to your health and a lifetime of meals that encourage you to flourish and be well. And there you have it, our revealing journey through Beware 9 Kidney-Harming Foods comes to an end. We've explored the unpredictable world of everyday eats, bringing to light just what's so bad about foods like avocados, oranges, and perhaps most cruelty of all, spinach. After all, Popeye was just trying to help. What it comes down to, though, is that none of these foods have brought you to any harm yet. That's because it's not that we should avoid these foods altogether, but rather to think of it all as a balancing act. As long as you're well aware of your personal health and the health of your kidneys, you'll avoid letting such foods truly harm you. Thank you for diving into this educational quest to learn about healthier choices that can impact your life from this point forward. If you found the video enlightening, be sure to like it and share it and subscribe with the notification bell too. Help out your friends, family, and the whole internet to learn what are the best ways to eat for overall kidney health and a kidney diet. And we're always diving into the latest health tips and eye-opening bits of insight, so bang the little notification bell down there too and be sure to join us. Doing so makes it way easier for you to keep making smart choices on your way to a healthier, happier life. So, you'll want to keep up to date with all of our latest news. Until next time.